our topic for today is steering gear system of the ship. We are all familiar with the use of a rudder. Is a rudder. Ibon sa Tagalog, tawagin natin which helps in turning a ship as and when required. Rudders are the principal system for the entire motion and correct and control of the ships. But we mustn't forget that the inter-rudder action is dependent on another pivotal system, which is called steering gear. Steering gear integrated with the rudder system defines the complete turning mechanism. So, complete turning mechanism means steering gear integrated with the rudder system. Steering gear system has been an indispensable part of the ship's machinery since the advent of the very early ships, which were operated by hand. Next slide. Steering gear system operating principle. The efficiency of performance of steering gear depends on some main aspects. These basic requirements to be invariably met by all steering gears are guided by rules set by the classification societies. So we have classification societies in every country. They can be briefly outlined as per standard requirement, the steering gear should be capable of steering the ship from 35 degrees port to 35 degrees starboard and vice versa, with the vessel flying forward at a steady head on speed for maximum continuous rated shaft RPM and throttle load waterline within a time frame of maximum 28 seconds. With one of the power units inoperative, ibig sabihin, kung isang unit natin ay hindi o may diferensya, the rudder shall be capable of turning 15 degrees port to 15 degrees starboard and vice versa within a time frame of 1 minute with the vessel moving at half rated maximum speed of 7 knots, whichever is greater at summer load line. The major power units in the control system are to be duplicated so that if one of them fails, the other can easily substitute for them as standby. Emergency power supply. The steering gear system is to be provided with additional power unit, hydraulic pump, or etc. connected to the emergency power supply from emergency generator which shall be capable of turning the rudder from 15 degrees from one side to the other side within 60 seconds with the vessel moving at maximum surface speed of 7 knots, whichever is greater. So types of steering gear ships. A ship continues to grow in size and becoming faster. Modern systems using human effort when incorporated. Basically, there are two types of commonly used steering gear system. One is the hydraulic system, the other one is the electro-hydraulic type system. The main control of the steering operation is given from the helm of any ship. Similar to the automobile where the internal control of the vehicle steer ability rests on the steering wheel of the driver. So ang driver natin, sino? Able seaman, AB. The control force of turning is triggered off from the wheel of the helm, which reaches the steering gear system. So the steering gear system generates a torsional force at a certain scale, which is then in turn is transmitted to the rudder stack that turns the rudder. The intermediate steering system of a modern day ship can be multifarious with each small component having its own unique function. A better representation for the exact sequence of in a simple rudder system in the following: rudder actuators, power units, other auxiliary equipment, needed to apply third rudder by applying to hydraulic pumps and valves. In hydraulic and electro-hydraulic system, hydraulic pressure is developed by hydraulic pumps which are mainly driven by electric motors or sometimes through purely mechanical means or hydraulic system. So you have the picture there in your PowerPoints, the schematic diagram of steering gear system or figures. However, mainly advanced electro-hydraulic systems are predominant in ships nowadays. These hydraulic pumps play a crucial role in generating the required pressure to create motions in the steering gear, which can trigger the necessary rotary movements in the rudder system. These pumps are basically of two major types: radial piston type and axial piston type. Actuators mediate the coordination between the generated hydraulic pressure from pumps and the rudder stack by converting it into a mechanical force, creating a turning movement for the rudder. Actuators are now mainly electrically driven by power units. Yes. Actuators mediate the coordination between the generated hydraulic pressure from pumps and the rudder stack by converting it into a mechanical force with creating a turning moment by the rudder. Actuators are now mainly electrically driven from power units. These actuators in turn can be of two types: piston or cylindrical arrangement, being type rotor. The types of actuator systems include the types of steering, gears, pressure, and ships, which are also segregated as ram type and rotary vane type arrangement accordingly. Ram type steering gear system. It is one of the most commonly used steering gear constructions and it's quite expensive in construction. The basic principle is same as that of a hydraulically driven motor engine. There are four cylinders attached to the two arms of the actuator dish on both sides. These cylinders are directly coupled to the electrically driven hydraulic pumps which generate hydraulic pressure through pipes. This hydraulic pressure field present in the pumps imparts motion to the hydraulic cylinders, which in turn correspond with the actuator to act upon the rudder stack. As we know, rudder stack is an indispensable part of the entire steering gear arrangement of ships and dictates the exact behavior of the rudder response. The sense of turning the rudder is guided by the action of the hydraulic pump. The runtime steering gear arrangement produces a considerably high value of torque per given applied power. The hydraulic oil pressure varies from 100 bars to 175 bars depending on the size of the rudder and torque required. Rotary vane steering gear system. In rotary vane steering gear, there is a fixed housing which two vanes rotate. The housing along with the vanes form four chambers. The physics behind its operation is similar to the ram type with a small difference. It is used when the pressure requirement is 60 to 100 bars for producing required torque. This is main advantage of rotary vane type steering gear, requiring lesser hydraulic pressure and thus power for producing the same amount of torque as ram type. There are three fixed and three moving vanes, which can make rudder angles up to 70 degrees, 35 degrees on each side. This arrangement has several other advantages like lower installation cost, less weight, and smaller space required. Sir, paano ito tapos na ito?